So I'm not going to dive in deep about the essential features because that is something which all of us must be aware. So I'm just going to give a touch base and then we'll straight away move to overview. So what we need to have in a project management software is complete resource management tool, which will help you to give a complete resource management outlook. You must also have task management portfolio. You should be having a management of more than one project. So that is something which is required. You should be able to have uh, project views, different types of views, resource view, cost view, timesheet view, so on and so forth. You should be able to have a great help in planning and scheduling. Now, why I'm saying great help, I'm just going to give you an example. There are softwares which are now AI enabled. We will be shortly talking about these softwares. So these AI enabled softwares help you to envisage what might be the future thing. So when you're planning for your project, maybe time wise, or maybe even cost wise, or maybe even quality wise, you have help of that AI builder at back who will be able to assist you to determine the right type of costing which may be required after 1.5 years. You're able to factor that futuristic cost today properly so that your project costing is done absolutely correctly with a realistic understanding. Especially with real estate projects, since I have done projects in real estate. How many of you face this at in the initial time when the pricing is done, when the costing is done, the prices are different. But soon when the project starts taking shape, due to some problem, maybe legal issues, compliance issues, the project derails for about 4 or 5 months. And if you're not going to factor those raw material, your project gets into a big trouble. Has anyone of you have faced such kind of a problem where your project has been began, you have already got a budget for the raw material like cement, iron, you have already costed for it, and your project is on the floor. The project gets stalled because of the compliance issues. And till you solve those compliance issues, the project cost has increased. Has anyone faced such kind of a problem? Has anyone faced such kind of a problem? I hope the problem is clear to everyone. Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm not the only one who has faced this. Thank you so much, Obajide, because I think it's a universal problem. With help of RIKE or softwares which are enabled with AI, you're able to come up with a realistic costing. So you can actually create scenarios and figure out what may be the best type of costing which will fit to your project and which was not possible otherwise. And you're able to do this in minutes if you're able to master those. So yes, AI is a bane and a boon both. So at least in case of project management, it is certainly a boon which is going to help us to achieve the realistic goal. Apart from that, if you really look at the essential features today, you will find tracking is there, reporting is there. So overall, the collaboration and coordination becomes quite easy. So these are the 10 essential features of a project management software, which are must for any of the software.